Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Christina and I love to post girly unboxings. I'm obsessed with handbags. I love makeup and skincare, so if you're into those things too, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. That way you'll get notified of when I have another video. Today's video is going to be what I got for my 3rd year anniversary from my boyfriend Jonathan. This year's anniversary was a little bit different. I just got out of my foot surgery less than a week ago, so we had a very relaxing dinner in the house and we watched some movies on the TV and we exchanged gifts, and I'm going to show you what he got me. So I'm sure you've noticed the thumbnail. We have a contemporary luxury unboxing by Tory Burch, and we also have a little bracelet from Pandora. Let me tell you, I seen this bracelet a couple months back, and when I saw it, I was like, wow. Because I have been looking for a bracelet that is like my staple for so long, and when I seen this one, it was the cutest little tennis bracelet, and I figured it was the right price point to wear it every single day, and I was just instantly in love. But I ended up never getting it for myself, and that was so many months ago. So for him to remember that I wanted that bracelet, ladies, get yourself a man who listens and remembers. So I'm going to start off with the bracelet because, honey, I love it. It came wrapped so nicely. I did rewrap it exactly how it came because I wanted it to look cute for you guys. How stunning is this Cuban link tennis bracelet from Pandora? This is just so stinking cute. I'm obsessed. I think that they did such a great job in the craftsmanship of this. Like, when I tell you in person, this is so shiny. I'm obsessed. I've been wanting a tennis bracelet for so long, but a lot of times they're just so expensive, so I'm so happy that Pandora came out with one that's a reasonable price. This tennis bracelet is sterling silver, and this tennis bracelet is sterling silver, and it has this tennis bracelet is Cuban links. This tennis bracelet is a pave Cuban link with Cuban zirconias, and it is sterling silver. The sterling silver one is $225, and if you prefer 14 karat gold plated, they also have that available for $325. I just love the details of this bracelet. It's just so fancy. It's just giving demure, sophisticated, very mindful. I love it. So now that we have the bracelet out of the way, let's go ahead and move on to the next part of this unboxing. This very big Tory Burch shopping bag. You guys, I don't even fit in the screen. So this extremely large Tory Burch shopping bag is part of my anniversary gift. This is the box. The box doesn't even fit inside the bag. Whew. Sorry, that's the back. So this is the front of the Tory Burch box. I did take a peek at her because I had no idea what this was, but I did not unbox her. She's still in the wrapping because I wanted to unbox it for you guys. But what's in here is extremely sophisticated. It's giving I'm a boss and I'm holding a meeting. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what is in here. So this is the dust bag that she came in. Very nice quality of a dust bag. Also, it's a drawstring dust bag. And also inside the box, this came for free with the purchase, and I was like, oh my god, I got 2 bags for 1. I love that. There is a metallic silver little tote bag that was free with the purchase, and the lining is such a nice cloth. It wouldn't be with this outfit, but I can just see a beautiful denim jacket going with this. I think this is just so cute. And it's definitely giving fall. It's definitely very simple, but I'm just loving the outfits that come to mind when I see this. And I can't wait to style this one. So now we can go ahead and move on to the actual handbag. When I seen this, I only ever seen it online because, as you've heard in my many past videos, I have been home for months now. My foot really hurts still. And so I only ever see bags online. But honey, when I seen her in person, I was instantly just in love. I love me a good tote. Look at her. She's very simple, very mindful, very sophisticated. And she's not just very demure. She's extremely demure. I love her. I love me a good tote that fits everything and the kitchen sink. I also really love square totes. Why? No reason. I think I just really love bags that are structured. I've mentioned this in previous videos. I love bags that have a good structure. And a square tote is always a great way to go if you are somebody that doesn't really care for slouchy bags. I am in love. She is the same on the front and the back. You have the embossed Tory Burch logo on the front. You have it on the sides. On the bottom of the bag, you have 2 leather straps for the feet. And then on the sides, you can cinch it in or you can leave it loose if you have a little bit more stuff to carry, and I just love that detail. On the front here, you have 1 buckle. On the other side, you also have a buckle, and that's to make the straps more adjustable. Super cute. I'm going to add in a little try-on video right here, but let's go ahead and open up this bag. You guys have to see the inside of this bag. If you guys think that the front is beautiful, wait till you see the inside. The inside was just like, when I was taking a peek, I was just frozen on how beautiful the inside of this bag is. It is so nice, but you do need a bag organizer to protect the inside of this bag, you'll see. The way they put in their stuffing is just so thoughtful. They don't just crumble it in. It actually fits the shape of the bag, which I think that's pretty funny. So there is a cardboard here, and then that stuffing that's in there, aside from the piece that I just took out. Ooh. Okay, and there's the inside of the bag. So something that I just loved is that the inside is a super soft, luxurious suede lining. And I love this pocket here. This is big enough to fit definitely an iPad. Let's test this. Online it says that this bag can hold up to a 15-inch laptop. The dimensions from left to right are 15.71, and then from the top to the bottom of the bag, the dimensions are 12.4 inches, and then the depth here is 5.9 inches. So being that from left to right it's 15.71 inches, you should be able to fit at most a 15-inch laptop. I don't have a 15-inch laptop, and if you girlies have the 16-inch laptop from Apple, this is not the bag for you. But this is my 13-inch MacBook Air, the 2022 edition, and I want to know if it fits in this little compartment right here. Oh, I love it. This is stunning. I am obsessed. I love that this purse comes with a laptop compartment. This is the perfect work bag. It's the perfect school bag if you are going on an interview, or you have a meeting, or you're a content creator that likes to work outside. You can just fill this with your laptop and all of your gadgets and tripods and all of your things that you need, and you can look sophisticated. I love it. The exterior of the bag is nappa leather, and it's just giving a luxurious, soft, delicate feel. I can't stop going like this. I just love the way it feels. I am a sucker for nappa leather. I think it's just so nice. This tissue paper is giving me a hard time. Jonathan did ask me when I was going to do the unboxing for this bag. So if you're watching, Jonathan, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Say hi. One of the most tedious parts of doing a bag unboxing is getting the paper off of the handles, because sometimes it gets stuck in the buckle, which is what I'm experiencing right now. I'm going to go ahead and speed this section up because I don't want to take too much of your time. I know you're here to just see the bag and keep moving. So the hang tag, it is just showing the item number and the name of the style. It is the T Monogram Tonal Embossed Tote. I'm also going to leave a screenshot right here for you guys. The bag comes in black with black embossing, and then it also comes in a black and white. And the black and white one is the black and white one has two different colors on each side. So black with white embossing, and then the other side I believe was white with black embossing, and then I believe it had tan handles. It was also very pretty, very stunning, but it also looked a lot like my Louis Vuitton on the go. Also, speaking of the Louis Vuitton on the go, if you like the on the go in the imprint leather, this is a great alternative to that bag, because that bag is just way too expensive at this moment. With the price increases, it's just getting out of control. Also, if you like the Louis Vuitton on the go style, this bag is comparable to the on the go in the GM size, and they have it in the black on black imprint leather. I'm going to show it to you right here. It looks just like this one, and it's literally like a fraction of the price. I just cannot justify spending this kind of money. This is a way better option. It is so beautiful. So just flipping the camera around, I just wanted to give you guys a better view of the inside of the bag. I am literally just so obsessed with the details. This is just so luxurious feeling. It's giving that she's not like other girls. She's sophisticated, she's demure, and she is the moment. So inside you have your little stamp that says Tory Burch, in gold hardware. The zipper is also gold hardware, and the zipper just opens so nicely. I love this. You can put your little personal belongings. And then you have 2 slip pockets right here. I love it. I am just literally obsessed. I love the attention to detail, and it just feels so luxurious. I mean, look at the stitching. The stitching is just beautifully done. It's literally impeccable. This is the sides of the bag. She's stunning. So of course, if you know me, I definitely got a bag organizer for this purse just because the interior is a beautiful light color suede, and I want to protect this bag for as long as possible. Suede interiors are so scary, but they don't have to be scary if you take precaution. So I got a bag organizer from Amazon. The brand of this one is ETTP. I'm not sure what that stands for, but I liked it because it was made for the other Tory Burch purse, the Ella Tote, which you see everywhere. And the dimensions of the Ella Tote and this bag are, I believe, about the same. I also love that it did have a compartment for a water bottle, and the pockets are nice and deep. I usually get pockets that have a gusset at the bottom, but they didn't have one in the size that I was looking for or the color. So I went ahead and I tried this out. I did put my phone inside to see if it was too slim of a pocket, and it actually fit perfectly. So on this side there is a pocket, and I love the idea of just putting my phone in there. It just fits so nicely. I love it, and I know that it's there, so when I'm using this bag I can go ahead and just pull it right out. Another thing that I love about this bag organizer is that it has a little D-ring here so you can hook your keys. Super cute, super mindful. And the zipper, there is a compartment here, and then the zipper, obviously I couldn't try the zipper until I opened it today, but the zipper is also so nice and buttery smooth. And usually on bag organizers, I'm not a fan of the zipper, but the zipper is just flawless. So I'm actually really obsessed with this bag organizer. I believe this is the only size that they have. I wish I could find more from this brand. If I can find other colors and sizes from this brand, I definitely will be getting more for my bags in the future. So moment of truth, does this bag organizer fit in here? I hope so, because I really like this one. So we're gonna go ahead and put it in. You guys, it's a perfect fit. It fits in there perfectly. It fits in there perfectly. It is so snug. I love it. It is such a nice fit, and I love that it's not blocking the zipper pocket of the original bag. The zipper pocket is just slightly above the edge of the bag organizer here, and the way I positioned it is so that I have one zipper here and then I have another zipper at the end. And again, here is the bag organizer with my laptop inside of the actual tote bag. Everything just fits so perfectly. I'm literally obsessed with this bag. So that concludes today's video on what I got for my 3-year anniversary with my boyfriend Jonathan. I love this bag, and I hope you guys loved it as much as I did. So if you haven't done so already, go ahead and leave a comment on this video. Let me know what your favorite Tory Burch bag is, and don't forget to subscribe. That way you'll get notified of when I have more videos for you guys. Bye!